I have the great honor and privilege of presenting this year's IE-READY Award. This award is presented to an individual for his contributions to our state's community college system and is given in honor of IE-READY, the first president of the North Carolina Community College System. This year's recipient, Dr. Mark Kinlaw, exhibits the same leadership qualities and commitment to our students and communities as Dr. Reedy himself. Dr. Kinlaw has spent his entire career committed to the community college system. He began his career as a faculty member at Robeson Community College, where he taught history and education. Over the years, he took on additional leadership roles, including as the college's vice president for instruction, before accepting the role of president of Rockingham Community College, a position he's held since 2015. In his 6+ years as president of Rockingham Community College, Dr. Mark Kinlaw has championed initiatives in facilities, new programs, and access to education. Under his leadership, the college focused on improving the appearance and efficiency of its buildings and grounds. 7 buildings, nearly 1/2 of the college structures, were renovated, one featuring a simulated hospital, which brought increased enrollment in health science programs. Wanting to invest in North Carolina's agriculture industry, Rockingham launched a new agribusiness technology program under President Kinlaw's direction. In this program, Rockingham graduates are able to apply their credits into the Bachelor of Science in Agriculture Education program at North Carolina A&T. A new Center for Workforce Development for Advanced Manufacturing programs is scheduled to break ground early next year. Thanks to Dr. Kinlaw's tirelessly and successful campaigning for a 1/4-cent sales tax in Rockingham County to support the college's workforce development efforts. With a vision to improve the college's ties to new and existing businesses, Dr. Kinlaw supported the startup of numerous degrees and workforce development programs that provided more opportunities for students. Through his commitment to collaboration, local businesses and industries now support apprenticeship initiatives on Rockingham's campus. New associate degrees are now offered in environmental planning and development, teacher preparation, and emergency medical science. Dr. Kinlaw worked with the county school system and a local foundation to create the Rockingham Promise, a pathway enabling high school students to take college courses at their high schools and earn scholarships to RCC. Dedicated to the well-being of Rockingham County residents and students, the college hosted vaccination clinics for 2 months this spring in the college's gym. Dr. Kinlaw's great service to the state of North Carolina, from student to president, epitomizes the type of leader we aim to cultivate here in our great state. Dr. Kinlaw, it's a privilege to recognize you today for your dedication to transforming the lives of thousands of North Carolinians in the community college setting. Please join me in honoring Dr. Mark Kinlaw, our 2021 IE-READY Award recipient.
To be the recipient of the IE-READY Distinguished Leader Award is very humbling and at the same time very satisfying. I began my community college career in 1988 at Robeson Community College and was there for 27 years, and now I've been president at Rockingham Community College for 7 years. It's been a privilege and an honor to be part of 2 wonderful colleges and such a revered community college system. In my career, I have been blessed to have worked with the very best our profession has to offer. I've been a part of important and great work, and any recognitions or awards that I've gotten, including this one, is because I've always been surrounded with some very smart and hardworking people. I've never viewed my career to be about me, but about the students and businesses we serve, so being singled out from so many others that are deserving of this award is humbling. And at the same time, it is very satisfying that my peers have recognized me for the work I've done and have been part of for more than 33 years. There are so many that have had a tremendous impact on me that have helped me to be where I am. It all started with my parents, who were both encouraging and had high expectations for me and my brother. I worked for 2 presidents in particular that had a profound impact on my career. Fred Williams, the 2nd president at Robeson Community College, and Dr. Charles Cressman, the 3rd president at Robeson. Both were different in their approaches, but I learned so much from them. Dr. George Baker in the NC State Adult and Community College Leadership Program in the 1990s had a profound impact on my career. I learned a lot from others that I worked with, and I'm thankful to all of them. My wife Julia has supported me throughout my career, and without her, there is no way I would be accepting this award sitting here today. There are presidents, both present and past, in our system that have influenced me as well, and I appreciate all of them. Our community college system is second to none. It's an honor to be part of something so good. Not everyone can say that about their careers, but I can. It is a system that has allowed me to grow both personally and professionally, and through it, I have met and worked with the very best people I could ever imagine. Our system has grown tremendously in so many ways. I believe IE Ready and the early founders and leaders of our great system would be proud of all the work that has been accomplished. But there's a lot more to do. There always will be. Students and businesses are looking for us. I look forward to continue to be part of the community college system and serving our students. I want to thank the Belt Center and NC State University along with my peers who have recognized me for this award and have recognized my work over a long career. There are certainly many others who are deserving. It is humbling, to say the least.